Hi everyone. Tonight for supper I'll be fixing not my mom's goulash. The original name of this recipe is Mom's Goulash, but I didn't want anybody to get confused that it was my mom, so I'm calling it Not My Mom's Goulash. So what all goes into my Not My Mom's Goulash? 1.5 pounds of ground beef or other ground meat. I will be using longhorn, 1 large onion diced, 3 cloves garlic minced, 1 28-ounce canned tomato sauce, which I didn't have, so I'm using 2 15-ounce cans of tomato sauce. So it's a little bit more, it's going to be 30 ounces. 1 28-ounce can diced tomatoes undrained. I didn't have a 28-ounce can. I have 2 14.5s, so that's 29 ounces. Close enough. 3 cups of water. This is 2 cups. I'll need 1 more. 2 teaspoons paprika, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 15.25 cans of whole kernel corn. Does not say to drain it, so I'm not going to drain it. 2 cups uncooked elbow macaroni. As you can see, these are little heart-shaped macaronis. I bought them for Valentine's Day and I never fixed them, so that's what we're going to be using. An optional shredded cheddar cheese for topping. So let's begin. Take a Dutch oven or large pot, put in your ground beef. I have 1 pound of longhorn. I thought my 1/2 pound was also longhorn, but it's yak. So we're gonna have a mixture. I don't really think that's gonna matter. And then also add your chopped or diced large onion. I only did 1/2 of an onion because it was super large and I'm not a big onion person. And over medium-high heat, cook that until the meat is cooked through. After you drain your meat, and I did not, add your 3 cloves of minced garlic and cook that a minute or fragrant. It is a little bit juicier than normal. All right, so I decided to drain it, and because it was a lot more than I thought. And I decided I didn't know if my pot was going to be big enough, so I dumped my tomato sauce in a measuring cup, and it only went up to 24 ounces instead of 28, even though it should have been 30. So we're good there. I'm going to do the same with my tomatoes, and the tomatoes are 28 ounces. So that worked out really well. Turn down your heat to medium. I forgot to tell you that. Before you add the tomato sauce, turn down your heat to medium. Then add your 3 cups of water, and that's going to be, oh my God, full. But you gotta have that liquid to cook the macaroni, and it will absorb it. And then add your 1 teaspoon of paprika, your 1 teaspoon of salt, and your 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And then simmer that uncovered for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Then add your 2 cups of uncooked macaroni. I put like about 2.5 because they were bigger than macaroni. And your can of whole kernel corn. I did drain most of the liquid because it's got so much liquid in this anyway. And stir that up. And then put your lid on. Simmer covered for about 10 minutes, stirring frequently so the noodles don't stick. And the cheese is optional, but I'm going to put some on there. Here is Not My Mom's Goulash. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Is this a crock pot thing?
No, it's not. It cooked it on top of the stove.
Cheese is fighting back.
You like the noodles? They're heart-shaped.
Can't see them. Oh, yeah. Is it supposed to taste different, or just that I know it was made with love?
It was made with love. That is not my mom's goulash.
Okay. Well, it's very tasty. Very hot, but I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.